Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn the first poem of standard 8th subject English, Be the Best. Okay, for that you have to open page 3 of your book. I am going to read the poem. You have to listen it carefully while looking on page 3, and then we are going to discuss about the meaning of it. Shall we start now? Be the best. Be the best. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rail. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass, and some highway happier make. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. We can't all be captains, we have to be crew. There's something for all of us here. There's big work to do and there's lesser to do, and the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Okay, Douglas Malco is the name of the poet. We will get some information about the poem. I am going to illustrate or explain the poem. कविता थोडक्यात मी स्पष्टीकरण करून तुम्हाला मी सांगतोय. ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. ओके, in the first stanza, before we go at the first stanza, look at the title, Be the Best. Okay, what do you mean by be the best? Means you have to be perfect. You have to do each and every task very well. You should be best in each and every field, or you should be best in your considering activities. तुम्हाला सर्वोत्तम बनायचं आहे. ओके, इज द पोयम. Be the best if you can't be a pine on the top of the hill. Pine is the name of a tree, and usually we see that particular tree goes high up and up. Its height is very high. So the poet says that if you can't be pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley. If it is not possible for you to complete your dream big, if it is not possible for you to complete your big dream, you have to keep in your mind a small dreams, and that should be completed by you. Okay, so the best little scrub by the side of the reel, be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you are not able to be a pine, जर तुम्हाला पाईन वृक्ष होता नाही आलं तर तुम्ही काय करा, दरीमध्ये असणारा लहान छोट्याशा उंचीचा स्कर्ब बना, बट बी पण बना द बेस्ट लिटल स्कर्ब बाय द साइड ऑफ द रील. रील अ स्ट्रीम म्हणजे प्रवाह, पाण्याचा प्रवाह. त्याच्या शेजारी असणारा छोटंसं एखादं झुडूप बना, स्कर्ब बना, आणि मग be a bush if you can't be a tree. If it is not possible for you to be a tree, so you have to be a bush, but you have to be something. In the second stanza, the poet says that if you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass. Even it is not possible for you to be a bush. जर तुम्हाला एखादं झुडूप नाही बनता आलं तर गवताचं पातं बना, and some highway happier make. Okay, so you can make the highway happier, means, and some highway happier make. Whenever we travel from to the highway, at that time we see out of the window from our bike or from our car or bus or train, and whenever someone will look at you, they will be happy. So that is why try to make happy to others if you can't be a bush. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass. Okay, muskie and bass are the name of fish. Okay, so if you are a muskie, and then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. Liveliest means active one, who is active and who is showing attitude towards his life. It is called the liveliest bass in the lake. We can't all be captains, We cannot be all captains. We have got to be crew. Crew means the workers. So some may be the captains, and it is not possible to be captain alls. But we have got to be crew. Means we have to be workers. There's something for all of us here. We have something to do, everyone. Okay, for everyone there is something to do. So there's big work to do and there's lesser to do. Some has to do the big work, some has to do lesser works, and task you must do is the near, and the task which is given to you, it should be done, it must be done very well, and you have to do it. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. Means you don't if you can't be a highway means big road, you have to be a trail. Trail means very narrow path, which is very small compared to highway. If you can't be the sun, be a star. If you are not able to be a sun, try to be a star. Okay, means sun gives light to earth, sun gives light to the earth, but star doesn't. But at night, star is also helpful for its brightness, and it gives some kind of light or little bit light. So that's why if you feel that you have to bright, you have to give light to others, and it is not possible for you to be a sun, try to be a star. It isn't by size that you win or fail. Be the best of whatever you are. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. It is not determined by your size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Whatever you are, whatever your position, you have to be the best of it. Okay, in this poem the poet has given a message to everyone that you have to be best. Whatever work you do, you have to do it at your level best, and try to be a good person, try to be a good active person wherever you are. So it's not possible for everyone to be a top at the position. Somewhere you have to be very somewhere you have to be accept whatever you are. Somewhere you can't be a captain, you will be a worker. You have to accept it, and you have to do your best. Sometimes important works or big works come to your hand, sometimes lesser works. You have to accept both the works, and you have to do it very carefully. Sometimes you will get the higher position, sometimes you won't. At the same time, you have to be busy with your work, and you should not be frustrated, and it's not depend on your size, you win or fail. Be the best of whatever you are. तुम्ही जे आहात, तुम्ही तुमचं जिंकणं हे तुमच्या आकारावरती अवलंबून नसतं, तर तुम्ही जिथं आहात ते तुमचे सर्वोत्तम प्रयत्न करा, and try to be the best. Okay, some of the difficult words are there, you will have to find out the meaning of those words in your dictionaries. And now we are going to look at the English workshop on page 4 and 5. First question is there, read words or names given below, put the big sized or bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. Words are given in the bracket. There are two circles are also given. If you look on page 4, you will see that. So those things which are small in size, you have to write down in small circle and big in big circles. As an example, we will say that a tree is big one, that's why you can write down tree at the in the big circle. Lake, it is also big, you can write down it in big circle. Bus, bush, highway, curb, reel, sun, star, trail. In this way you will have to discuss, you will have to find out which one is bigger and which one is smaller, and you have to write down in the proper circle. It is the first question. We discuss about the second question. Form groups of 4. Read each stanza in the poem turn by turn. Reading is there, you can do at home individually, there will not be any group for you. Okay, third question is there, find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. So you have to write down 4 pairs of rhyming words. You know it very well. In earlier standards you have learnt about it. Question 4 is there. Complete the following with appropriate words, phrases from the poem. First one is done for you. If you can't be a pine, be a scrub. Okay, so you will have to find out the remaining part of that line and you have to complete. It's very simple for you. Question 5 is there. Write whether the following are true or false. Okay, just read those sentences, try to grasp the meaning of it, and then you have to write down true or false. As an example, I will read the first one. All must be captains of the teams. Is it possible? No. All members cannot be captains. Na captain will be very one. So the sentence is false. Question 6 is new one. I would like to elaborate you more for that. Question 6 is there. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. Appreciation means rasagrahan. You will have to decide. You will have to write the information of the poet, or you have to characterize the poem with the points. First point is there, the title of the poem. Second, the poem is written by. Third one, the poem has dot dot stanzas. Each stanza has dot dot lines. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज देअर, कुठल्या कुठल्या ओळींचं यमक जुळतं त्या ओळी लिहायचे, किंवा यू विल हॅव टू यू कॅन राईट द नंबर्स ऑल्सो. द पोएट कंपेअर्स बिग थिंग्स विथ स्मॉल थिंग्स. डॉट डॉट इज रिपीटेड एक्सप्रेशन इन द पोएम. कोणतं एक्सप्रेशन परत परत आलं ते लिहायचं आहे. अँड द लाईन आय शॅल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इज. इथं तुम्हाला कुठली लाईन जी आहे जी तुम्हाला नेहमी लक्षात राहील ते तुम्ही इथं लिहू शकता. सो दॅट इज द न्यू क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. यू हॅव टू फोकस ऑन इट अँड ट्राय टू टेक हेल्प ऑफ युअर elder brother or sister or your parents to complete this question. Okay, so appreciation means rasagrahan. You will have to categorize the points of poem. Okay, so name of the poem, written by means writer's name, poet name. The poem has dot dot stanza. How many stanzas are there? Lines which rhyme. The poet compares big with things. That these questions you have to solve by looking in the poem, and also if you have any problem you can discuss with your parents as well as elder brother or sisters. Last question is there. It is volunteer question. Read the given extract from the poem Little Drops of Water by Julia Fletcher Carney. Learn it up, set it to a tune and enjoy singing if it. You may ask your teacher to help you. Okay, here one poem is given by the poet Julia Fletcher. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little dreams of kindness, little words of love help to make earth happy like the heaven above. So you should try to write such kind of poems. It is an individual activity. Those who are interested in composing poems, they can write their own poems, and you have to complete this English workshop in your notebook. Question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and the 6 questions you have to complete at your home. If 7 question is you are interested in the 7th question, you can complete it. Thank you for this week. You have to complete the homework and post it on WhatsApp. Goodbye.